Well, welcome, Raunit, again to another interview. I know we had one a few months ago about TradesAI and your experience with TradesAI, FunderPro, and TradeLocker in general. Maybe we can start this interview with a brief introduction about yourself, your name, a bit of background, your trading journey, and then we can jump into the details.
Hello, I am Raunit Deva, currently working with FunderPro and TradesAI. So I started my journey with FunderPro. So Owen and Hardy introduced me with the TradesAI, which is a AI based signal and trading thing. Like in my journey, like I've started trading 2 years back, for 2 years back in forex trading. So I got some losses and everything like that. The when we start initially in forex trading, so this is the main thing. First you will take some losses, then you will practice it and make more good amount with the all the losses and everything, learning and all that thing. So in my journey, like I've started trading with prop firms 1 year back. Like I have introduced with like funding pips, then I have shifted to FunderPro. So I have shifted to FunderPro, I used TradesAI that helped me to like pass my accounts like in 12 to 20, 10 to 12 days, and almost I made 40K or 40 to 50K with the help of TradesAI, which I will show you in my FunderPro payouts record. That's it.
40,000, 40 or $45,000 US dollars. Is that the
Yeah, in only 3 months.
nice, lovely?
I'm
Mm,
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous to like I'm not good in English in that thing, but
Yes,
yeah, I will show you everything.
you're
I
doing
am good
great.
in trading, not in my. I am not good in the language, but I am good in trading, which
You're
is the
doing
most
great, man.
important thing. Yeah.
You're doing amazing. Don't worry. Okay, perfect. So, I mean, that's a great performance to move from within 2 years from losing, just like as you said, most traders or pretty much all traders that join trading, their first year at least or 2 years are kind of hectic. Even if they make money, um, sometimes this profit that you make at the early beginnings before you are and you educate yourself and know what you're doing could be luck. So if you made a lot of money, then might lose it. So that's the journey. That's always the journey. But the thing is, most people quit after the first months or year, and they end up with just losing and then quitting. And that's why the stigma around trading industry is, trading is gambling. Trading doesn't work. But if you keep doing it and then educating yourself, and as you said, using the right strategies like the trades AI algorithms and then strategies that we have and tools. Once you educate yourself and use a proper capital if you have enough capital, or a prop firm if you don't want to trade your own capital but you want to trade a larger account. Prop firms are usually like FunderPro are the best approach to go. I think that's when you start breaking into the profitability area and actually making an income and living and even wealth out of trading. So great to hear your story. So let's jump into your screens. Actually, let's share your screen if you want to share the your account, whatever you want to share, and show the viewers everything about your how you use Trades AI, your Funder Pro payouts, and all that.
Yeah, I will go with my first payout thing, then the strategy which I used with my price action and trades AI thing, and I will tell you my confluences which I see to take entries. So I will go with it. And you tell me about the trades AI signal. Like if you want to use trades AI appropriately, use bot studio. Like we are coming with a bot studio, like 1 to 3 months. So use your real capital with the algos, which all the thing will do. The robot will all do the trading and all that thing. And signal thing, keep it for the prop forms. This will be the whole criteria which I will use in future.
Mhm, mhm,
This is
mhm.
my thing.
Yeah,
So
interesting.
I will share. Yeah. So I will
Absolutely.
share my
For
screen.
the Absolutely. While you do that, so regarding the Trades AI bot studio, which we're launching very soon, so basically, it will support both automated trading, algorithmic. We call it algorithmic trading. So all of our algorithms and way more than what the signals provide. Obviously, we have tens and tens of algorithms that we our AI and machine learning models. With supervised also expertise from our quant analysts, we built all of these myself as well as others build these algorithms. So these will be available in Bot Studio. So you'll be able to pick and choose the algorithms and see the stats before you run the bots. And they integrate with crypto exchanges like Binance and Bybit and others, or with trade locker brokers. So even if it's a prop firm, you can run it on a prop firm if you want to run the bots on your prop firm or on a live account. And in the near future, we'll have MT5 integration as well. So you'll be able to run the bots on MT5 as well. But as you said, Ronit, it's wise to always be careful with risk management. So if you want to do manual trading or semi-manual trading on one account using the signals, or even with the bot, you can run the bot on a prop firm account and then supervise it. So, like instead of like just letting it run 100%, you can take a look at it and supervise it and tweak things if you want, or rely on the signals, as you said, an indicator. So it's good to have a mix between fully automated as well as semi automated. But also another feature functionality, and we're talking before the interview, me and you, about this functionality. I think it's going to be a cool feature. Is the what we call the webhook bot or the trading view bot. So you'll be able to basically just draw any drawing on your trading view chart, trend line, view ups, moving averages, multiple drawings, and then create a bot around these drawings. So you could say I want to enter every time this trend line is touched, and then exit my positions open on this trend line or on this view up. Or there's a lot of cool functionality which you can build within a minute. Literally right click. That's the beauty about Bot Studios. You'll be able to build your own bot based on your trading view. Trading. If you don't want to do algorithmic trading, just trust our algorithms. You can do that, and then you'll be able to push those as signals as well to Telegram. Let's say you have your own Telegram community. With one click only, you can put your Telegram channel on WhatsApp or Discord, and all of that trading, activity and signals could be sent to your community. So that will be a very cool functionality that we're very proud of, that we will launch very soon in the coming few months on Bot Studio. So definitely
I
will.
think this will be the first in the market, in the industry.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely. And what we
because I
have
am
is we
not
have,
known to this thing.
yeah,
This is the next level mind you have used. Matlab, no one used this thing in this market.
exactly. Exactly.
Yeah,
Even bank grade and hedge fund, like these are hedge fund level, like the risk management functionality we will have in Bot Studio. You can find it only in very advanced hedge fund management softwares, or like bank grade software for trading. So we're putting these functionalities in a very easy form to the people. You can very easily do
maybe
things like
BlackRock is
smart.
coming to you soon. Maybe BlackRock is coming.
I mean, listen, we're giving people the tools. As long as
Yeah,
they have a bit of planning for risk. Don't go crazy with risk management.
yeah.
Use. We don't recommend it. We don't give financial advice. Obviously, everything in trading, there's no guarantees whatsoever in trading. So always use cautious risk management. Don't over position, not over trade. I'm against the word don't over trade, because you can trade a
Well,
lot and make money or lose, but don't over risk in trading in every signal or every position, and you should be fine if you stick to a rule, a good strategy that is not like a crazy childish strategy, and you have proper risk management. You'll end up break even to profitability most of the time. So it's all about risk management and sticking to that. But yeah, we're very excited about this upcoming launch, and
I am
and
also excited about this thing, bro.
absolutely,
Let,
absolutely,
let's go with the payout
perfect.
section and then the
Yeah,
charts. Okay.
let's do it. If you want to
The
share your
second I will
screen,
share. As you can see, this is my FunderPro dashboard. Okay. So I will go first. I will go with my challenges account, which is running, right? So I will show you the past challenge. I have past challenges with the help of TradesAI. Okay. Let's go. This when this was there, I have not no I don't have any TradesAI. Like I don't introduce with the TradesAI thing. When I was introduced with the TradesAI thing, this was my first account, right? Stage one and stage two passed. And I will show you in how many days I passed it. Wait. First, you can see the win rate with the trade help of the trades AI. 100% win rate. And I will show you in how many days I passed. In 3 days. Stage one passed in 3 days with 100% win rate. Okay, this is not at all it is not at all like it is not normal thing. It is it is very difficult to achieve 100% win rate in three days and passed it. So I will go with my stage two. I will show you the details of stage two also. Stage two. This is also like 100% win rate, like 90 to 80% win rate, 85% win rate. Okay, and passed it in how many days? 4 days. So almost in like on I passed stage one, stage 200K in 7 days. This is the minimum days you can take to pass any challenge. And with the win rate of like more than 90%, if I got 100% win rate in stage one and 85% in stage two, so roughly it is like more than 90 or 95%. So this happened only when TradesAI was introduced to me. And so you can check the details how many I passed the account. So I will show you my payout section also.
And just to add to what you're saying, Ronit,
Yeah.
this is real funds. So what FunderPro provides, the beauty about FunderPro, which is one of our partner sister companies, is that it provides real liquidity. So
Yeah.
compared to the other, funded challenges, well, they try to put rules that are so hard to pass, so hard,
Yeah.
unrealistic to pass. Sometimes, just so you lose, you end up losing. The beauty about Funder Pro is it actually makes it reasonable, just exactly like you're trading in a hedge fund or like on Wall Street. So if you pass these challenges, you are actually a good trader, which is what every funded account company should be looking for. Every prop firm should be looking for, like good traders. But most of them,
Yeah.
unfortunately, they just take the money and then put it very hard to pass. So they actually don't care about payouts. But the beauty about Funder Pro
Yes.
is real liquidity. They give the payouts. You just put your, I assume, crypto wallet. You get paid with crypto wallet. Is that right? You get it
Crypto
instantly.
wallet and Rice, both of them.
Cool, cool, cool. Lovely.
Yeah. And that's the thing. And they are providing trades AI. They are introducing you trades AI by their own, because their capital is real. So they want this capital should be saved or not, like lose it. You will lose it like in one day. So they are introducing trades AI as a security or as a way you can trade safely with the help of trades AI signals and all that thing. So I will show you my this account which is running like almost 10-20 days. So I will show you my payout section and everything. And I took all the entries with the help of TradesAI, as I use TradesAI as a confluence. So there is almost 100% transparency in my signal thing, and everything is and in this video, in this interview.
Nice, lovely,
Okay. This is almost $220,000. So I have withdrawn 20,000 USD from
nice.
this account. And how many days I will show you that also. Okay. Mm, I think days are not there. Like 981 days. You have 999 days for the account. So almost how many days it happened? 9 plus 9. 18 days I am having this account. I have made $20,000 in 18 days with the help of TradesAI.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
And with the 80% win rate. And I'm like this for this account. This is the thing. And all the entries are here. This is the maximum daily drawdown and anything. Everything is there. This is my entries. And you can see I am using not big lots. Every time I'm using 2 to 5. If for 200K account, this is like you can use this. Like I'm not using big lots and making small profits. That's not that gambling thing is aside. You can see the lots 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. Max lot is 10. You can trade with 20 lots in gold, but I am using 10 lots, max 10 lots when the entry is confirmed and all the confluences goes with me. So
So you
that's
use proper risk management. This is pretty much what you're saying. Like because you don't want to just, as you said, sometimes you can trade with big lots and get lucky, even
yeah.
on a streak of wins. So you could win for a month because the market is going in that direction. You happen to take the trades in that direction, but then one loss could wipe out all the profits at least that you made. So versus
Yes.
here, what you have is proper risk management. So you put your stop loss where it should be. So you do take the loss, not like you remove a stop loss or just pray and and wish for the best from
No,
the
no.
market. So this is this is
No,
this
I
is
have
very important. The risk management
this
is
is
the
my rule. This is my rule. When I take the entry, I keep first I will keep my TP and SL fixed, then I take the entry. This is my rule. Like no TP, no SL, no entry. This is my rule.
thing. That's how it should
Okay.
be. It's not even with the
Yeah.
stop loss and then you put your take profit.
Yeah.
This is usually how I would do it. Yeah.
I will show you the payout section now. Paid payouts. Okay. These are all the payouts, and you can see the dates also. November 11, November 8, 5, 4, 31, October 31, like this. This is the whole payout section. So TradesAI helped me in this to achieve this thing. If TradesAI was not there, so I have not achieved this much amount in 3 months. Because for making making 40K from prop firms in 3 months is not at all
Very hard.
like it is not very hard,
Mhm,
because in
absolutely.
other prop firms you have 14 days payout thing. Okay. So in that 14 days you will have greed, overthink things and everything that mix it up, and you will lose the amount which you made. Right. In this thing, you have daily payouts. So in the daily payouts, you will withdraw all the profits you made and close the day. So this
Lovely.
is the thing which, yeah, yeah, please.
And no time limit, I assume, also for the challenges with Thunder Pro. So there's no time limit for how long you need to pass the challenges. So
Yes.
you're not in a rush to win or lose or whatever, which a lot of other prop firms do also. They give you a time limit, so they actually emotions kick in and then you start doing big loss, as you said, gambling, no proper
Yeah.
risk management, and you end up losing. Because it's not real funds versus in Thunder Pro, it's real funds. So they care about the funds that they have in there.
Right now, I'm having max allocation with FunderPro 200K, but I am asking one more 200K. Like I want 400K for myself, because for my risk management thing, I want one more accounts. Like I will follow more good. Like I follow risk management more appropriately and good, because in one account you have only one account to trade.
True,
Like
true, true.
if you have 100K two accounts, you will manage good risk amount. Like in in one account you will trade with small lots, like only 0.5 and something, and in other you can trade with 3 or 2 lots. So for risk management, I have asked it from them only, but they are not giving me the account. I don't know why, but
Yeah,
sure, I will get it soon.
yeah,
So this
yeah.
will
They
be
give up to
like the
5 million, I think. Thunder Pro,
no
I think they
that that is the scaling plan. If you will make 10%
scaling plan.
every
Okay,
month,
yeah,
so that's the thing. That's not us like other thing. That is other thing. But
I
I want right now, because this is like I am thinking of for the company only, because if I will lose 20K USD, this will be lost for real capital of the company. So I am asking for two accounts. So
hmm
I can better manage my risk, but I don't know why they are not giving me the account. They will surely give me soon. So this is my payout section,
cool.
and there is 2 pages.
These are real
If you
results.
want,
Yeah,
yeah,
perfect. Okay,
like
so this is the trade
the
the Thunder Pro. You want to switch to the you said you wanted to switch to the Trades AI
trading view. Yeah,
charts.
I
Yeah,
will switch to my strategy, which
yeah.
I use as a with TradesAI and everything. Now I have put two indicators. One is TradesAI indicator and one is market session indicator, when like when session is open, when session is closed. There are two indicators which I use, and it is all almost based on price action and everything, not like any other technique more technically. It is simple indicators. No, like this is simple. I will show you how I take entries with the help of TradesAI as a confluence and my session indicator. Okay. Wait a second. Uh-huh.
So you try to trade during New York session and London session. Is that you ignore the other, pretty
Yeah,
much the
I
other?
ignored the other section. Mainly, I trade in London Open, exactly at the point of London Open or like pre New York session. Mainly, I don't trade in New York session because New York session is very highly volatile. So I don't trade in that, and I think that is more gambling thing. To
True.
trade in NY session, it is more gambling part.
I see. I see. Well, it depends on your strategy, but whatever works, whatever is
No,
comfortable.
I will explain you that thing also. Like when the New York session opens, almost every day there is a red folder news, right?
Hmm hmm
Or
hmm
some news which impacts the market.
Global
So
economy.
that is, yeah. So it is not good for me to trade New York session.
I see. And
Yeah, I
speaking of
will continue.
sessions, while we're at it, while you prepare the chart, so in Bot Studio, we have the option to enable
Yeah, yes,
specific sessions.
yes, I
We
see.
could say, I want to trade only during London and New York. both for the algorithmic bots as well as the webhook trading view bots. Even if you're drawing in your chart, you want to build a bot using the drawings, you could say if the touch happens or this happens during New York, take it, or during London and New York, or these, or like you can specify which sessions you want the touch of these drawings to happen to take a trade or when to ignore it. So all of that is also fully automated in the bots, the Trades AI bot studio.
Like
Okay,
now we can go with the
lovely. Yeah, go ahead.
strategy. Like you can see this trades AI is showing the red block, which is like you can use it as a resistance. Red shows the resistance and green shows the support, right? So if you have to buy anything, like if you have to buy gold, so you will look for buy above this channel, right? So you will never buy it below this thing. So this helps me to take entry or like some sort of give me conclusion to buy or sell the thing. Like in this example, if you can see at this red block, at red order block, one touch, two touch, three touch. So you can take sell here. And why you shouldn't take sell here? Because you can see like you have to, if you have to take entry in this like selling entry in this level, so you will see three things. One, the previous resistance, which is this level. Like I mark resistance according to 1 hour time frame, right? So this trend line is shown by the indicator, trades AI indicator. So as you can see, when market goes above this trend line, it formed as a fake out. This is the fake out, and exactly this fake out came when the New York session when New York session opens. So you took the sell entry with the help of three reasons. Three reasons. One, fake breakout of the trend line, which trades AI shows you. First conference, second conference, you can see like it goes above the resistance, which is like marked as by the help of price action and something like that. It goes above this, and like dollar is when like New York session open, always dollar is powerful, and in right now scenario, elections happen and dollar index is going up. So when the New York session opens, market goes in the direction of US, means US dollar, means US dollar is more powerful than gold. In simple words, like when DXY is strong and when this thing happens, the New York session took this entry to like in the direction of USD, in the like in the favor of US dollar. So you can see three things, right? One, when the market goes above the trend line, it make the fake out thing, price action thing worked, and you will take the entry here. Yeah, and your stop loss will be here also. And one more thing, in like the TradesAI have their own Telegram channel also. And if you get same signal for this entry there, you get four confidences for your entry. So you can trade with big lots also, but never put SL like put SL always logical SL. Like you, if you have to put SL, you have to put here. If you took entry here, right? So if you took entry, your SL should be like here, and you have to check the price also. Like it should be above 2700, because 2700, 2710. Like after every $10, there is a psychological level. Like if you follow price action, you know this thing very well. So after every $10 or every $50, they works as a psychological level. So you have to put SL according to everything, which is more price action, like based on price action and everything that. So you can take this entry here and you can exit it like previous low or something like that, that previous London low and something like that. You can take TPs here. So how this all thing works in my favor, like how I use Trades AI with my price action thing. So I think I have explained it very well. Like more examples are there, but like I use mainly Trades AI signal, like which comes in Telegram group. If that signals matches with my price action things, my session timing and everything that like that, so I take entry with proper logical SL, proper risk management and everything. Yeah, but like in future bot studio is coming. You have to only manage you have to only put your risk thing. Like if you want to risk 0.5% in one trade, so you will put in that thing and everything will be done by the bot. You have to
Exactly. And
not do
even
this thing also. Yeah,
Absolutely. And even the sessions, like what you do with taking profit at the high or low of the sessions, that's also a functionality in Bot Studio. So you could say, close all my positions at with TP at London session close or high or low. So you could
yeah,
define those so that any position is opening, it will eventually put the TP at that level, the previous session close or high or low. And all that. But a
is it
great,
in?
I mean, yeah, go ahead.
Yes,
Go ahead.
yes. No, first you go ahead.
I'm saying I was gonna say, man, you're 23, you're 22, you're 23
Yeah,
year old.
23,
Great,
23-year old.
great, man, great knowledge that you have. I mean, I've been trading for 10 years, so I've gained the knowledge obviously over the years, but very impressive that you at a young
Thank
age,
you.
in 2 years, you said you've been trading for 2 years. Very, very
Like 1 year is was only like a gambling thing.
trial
1 year
gambling.
was my, yeah.
Yeah, lovely,
1 year
interesting, man.
was like all the thing which I put in my learnings, and it
Keep it
was
up.
like I have gone to like institutes also, but I think mainly I learned from YouTube and mainly from Raja Banks, if you know him.
Absolutely.
He's the legend for the price action thing. So
Hmm.
I have taken his price action, your trades AI thing, and mixed it up, and fusion is going well.
We should
So at the end, yeah,
We should try to get you, Raja, and me, and maybe Owen on one call and have a conversation about trading. That
I
would
am
be
waiting for
interesting.
that day, bro. I am waiting for
We'll
that day,
work on
bro.
that. We'll work on that. Lovely.
Okay,
Lovely,
thank
lovely.
you. Like you can see, uh, when the London session opens, right? This is the support level. I marked my support with these lines only. No zones, nothing like that. I will tell you how I take the entry. If this is the support and London session open, when London session open, there is always buying thing happen in the gold. If you can check past 3 months data, you can see when buy comes in the gold. You will check it. It will be like near to the London session when London session open, or like in the London session when 1 hour had gone in the London session, or pre-London. 3 times when buying come in the gold, right? So I took an entry like this thing. If I will check the London open, right? This made the seller's trap, right? First shown buying, then selling, full candle cover. So sellers are trapped here, right? Sellers entered here. And if trades AI signal, like a telegram signal shows me buy signal here, and London open shows me this candle. So I will buy it and put my SL logical, not like this. I will put this SL or something like this. No, I will put my SL below the wick. I always consider wicks also. Like I never consider the body. Like in price action, they will like tell you always consider body. No consideration to wicks. But in my view, I take wicks also in my consideration, because these wicks on lower time frame are candles, right? So market can go to that point also and take your SLs and then up again. So you have to mix it up, and like you in gold, mainly you have to see the price also. So all the things, three things, mix it up like trades AI signal on Telegram groups, show me like buying here, London open, second thing, and third thing, the seller's trap. You can see that sellers are trapped and then market group. So there is three conclusions with proper risk management, proper lot size, and which is all there in the trade locker thing. So all these three things make my entry, and you can see London session took the gold up, and in New York session some selling came, but not like good thing. So this one move is like fixed. You will get this move appropriately, and you will get small SL also. If you can check in this entry, your SL should be only of $2-3 or 5 to $10, not more than that. But in selling thing, if you will see same thing, you will get like $10 SL, right? If you will take this entry here for selling, your SL where you will put SL, no point, no logical point you have to put. You have to put SL above this only, because this was the previous support, right? So all this thing, like I put and I take entry. That's it.
Nice. Interesting.
Uh,
Very
If it
interesting and
makes sense,
comprehensive.
if it makes sense,
Absolutely.
then yeah,
Absolutely.
that's good.
Absolutely. I mean, sessions are very powerful because that's where liquidity came in, the open and the close and the high and the low. So
For gold sessions are like God.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah. for high liquidity markets in general, they play a big role. And then, as you said, the trades AI algorithm that we have, which uses a bunch of price action, volume analysis baked into the algorithms, and then your
Yeah.
basic support resistance levels as well. So these also work. So the combination of all of that and trend lines, this is very, very, very impressive. And congratulations on everything you've achieved so far. And I know this is just the beginning for you. You're just getting
Yeah.
started with profitability,
It's
and I know
just
you have.
almost 1 year. Like I
Yeah,
will give
amazing.
5 years to this thing. I know I can go.
Amazing, amazing. I'm sure you have. I know we had that discussion before. You have plans for building your own fund and trading
Yeah.
bigger amounts. If you can trade your own money, great. If you can keep growing your own fund, that would be perfect. But I mean, obviously, the path of building funds, and there's a lot of money to be made with building professional funds once you have the right certifications or the right people on board for proper risk management and financial advisory. So amazing, great congratulations on everything. I wanted to speak.
Thank you.
So now after trading, I wanted to speak a bit about your other side. I know you've been doing marketing, tactics online. Maybe you do some digital marketing. Closing remarks, whatever you want to say for everyone watching this interview. This was very motivational for a lot of people, I'm sure, that are watching, especially you're at a young age. So floor is yours. Just you can speak anything you want about your background, your career, your future, anything you want.
Like I will tell you one thing. Like I am good in making friends. Like if it is super rich friend or like I am good in making friends. Not like I'm not a marketer, but
Mhm,
my links work as my marketing thing. Like I give 6 affiliates to FunderPro and I will give you also TradesAI also the affiliates. So I use these affiliates for my commission thing.
mhm.
I have not directly jump into marketing thing or promoting like at a very big level. I go with these affiliates. I make my like I make them my friends. I go to coffee with them, and like that thing happens. I talk to on call and introduce with this thing. Like I will introduce you to Owen and everything that. So
Mhm.
they get excited about this thing. They come close, become my good friend. So I used it as my
Indirect
marketing
marketing.
thing.
So your
Indirect
network is your
marketing.
net worth, as we say.
Yeah.
Your network is your net.
I work on my network. Yeah.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely.
And all network was made by I directly message on Instagram, and I don't know how they reply to my message.
Yeah,
Everyone replies to my message and then it goes in my finger.
there you go. You
Oh,
got to give it a try.
I met you and Owen on Instagram only, not like
Absolutely.
nobody introduced me to you
Yeah,
or Owen. I
yeah.
simply messaged him to the like on
Instagram.
Instagram that I am having with you account and I'm passing it. This is my win and this. So just talks started and everything going well. So I do mainly
Exactly.
indirect marketing. I love to do these things because the normal marketing thing is boring. You have to think about content and everything like that. That is
Mhm.
more difficult and like this will be more profitable for me in long run because I made so much strong networks with everyone, like with affiliates also, with CEOs also. Like everything goes in my direction. This is my
Nice. Okay.
this is my what you can say. This is my skills or like that thing.
Lovely, lovely. Great, amazing.
And this is
Well, that was
natural. Not I have not learned this thing from any institute. Or, this is natural. Like
it's in your personality. In your
yeah,
personality.
it is my personality. My
Amazing.
English and you can see my English is not good, but I have made my links
No, you're
with
doing
these
great,
things
man.
also. Yeah,
You're doing amazing. You're doing amazing.
yeah.
Well, I mean, this was a very nice interview. Thanks a lot for all the knowledge that you shared and your experiences and sharing your accounts. I mean, not everyone shares their balance and account and to show the world that actually this is how much they made out of which is because you actually made that amount, so you're not
Yeah,
trying to share anything. So really
you help
appreciate.
me. This is my thing to help you also. Like if
Thank
you
you. I
help me in
appreciate
my
it.
trading thing, so this is my thing that I will help you also in these things also.
share a
Right.
real honest review and genuine
Yeah.
review of your experience with us. No, I absolutely appreciate that. And we'll definitely do more and more interviews. Maybe you could start doing more trading, maybe interviews like just, charts and analysis and trades AI, like
Live
whatever
trade.
you did here. I think we can definitely do more of these for the audience. They'll appreciate, I'm sure. So thanks a lot again, Ronit, for all the for the time and all the information, and we'll definitely stay in touch on a personal level, but also on a Trades AI Bot Studio. Definitely will be doing some co-marketing together to your network and your network of affiliates as well very soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay, cheers. Have a good one. Take care.